Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm gonna be styling my hair with the Dyson Airwrap styler. The last time I did a little review with it, where I was reviewing like each part that it came with, the price, and how like it sounded, how it worked. And I did style my hair using some of the attachments, but this time I'm gonna be styling my hair following this TikTok that I saw, and the girl, she, like, the way she styles her hair, it's like full of volume and it just looks really pretty. So I want to go ahead and try that out, just in case you guys are thinking about maybe getting the Dyson Airwrap styler, or if you already own it and you just need ways to different ways to use it. So, which is also one of the main reasons why I want to try this out, because I'm always looking for different ways to use it and incorporate it into, you know, using it every day or every other day, you know, so just so I can get the, you know, my money's worth for it. So in the video, and I will be showing like little clips here and there of the TikTok, and I will also be leaving the link down below so you guys can watch it. Like, it's amazing. So in the video, before I get into the details of the video that I saw, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair because it is tangled, and I'm gonna be using the Kristen S detangler. Reason I'm detangling it beforehand is because I don't want to be pulling too much on my hair and causing it to break off or whatever. I'm trying to take care of my hair as much as possible. I will be going in with my leave-in conditioner, and this is from Chi. I never really know how much to put in there. I just spray until the hair gods tell me it's enough. Okay, and then I'm gonna be using the Kenra blow dry spray. It also has heat protectant in there, and then I'm gonna be using heat protectant, and you're probably like, oh my goodness, that's a lot of hair products, but I love to put, when I'm gonna like do anything like heat related to my hair, I like to use products like heat protectant products that will protect my hair. So I will go in with the leave-in conditioner, this one, and even the blow dry spray, and it has like heat protectant, an extra heat protectant, and then also a little oil that has like treatment in it, just because I don't want my hair to break off. And with this one, this is from Aussie, I do focus it on my ends, since sometimes we tend to leave like our tools a lot more on our ends so we can get them to be straight. I don't know if you do that, but that's what I do. And then lastly, I'm gonna be going in with this, it's from Red Avid, and this is our orchid oil treatment, and I believe I used this one also in the review I did. And this one is supposed to just help with frizz. It's an anti-frizz serum. Before we start, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. In the video, she first goes in with the smooth firming brush, and it's the smooth one because it has the little tips, like the little colored tips on it. She just kind of runs it through her hair until it's semi-dry but not super dry, and then she goes in with the round brush. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Hopefully it turns out like her hair. Her hair was just so beautiful, so gorgeous. She does have longer hair, and it looks like her hair isn't dyed. I think it's her natural color, but we'll still see how it turns out with my hair. This is what the length of my current hair is. But yeah, let's get started. So this is what it looks like. I did leave a little bit, some damp pieces. I didn't want to dry it completely, so I'm gonna switch it out. And one thing I always do after I use my Dyson, I always clean it out. You don't want like the hair to start building up in there, and because I feel like that's gonna start to interfere with the airflow. That's just my opinion. I'm not an expert with this, but I mean, if you do have one, just clean your attachments. You know, you want to keep it up to optimal usage. All right, so we're gonna be going in with the round brush. I'm gonna go ahead and divide my hair. And then I got these cute little hair clips at Anthropology a few weekends back. And they're super cute. I love the little shape of them. Okay, so the thing that she does, she just doesn't go like this. So she grabs like a section of her hair and she like wraps it. She like goes like this and she just kind of like smooths it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch the video again.
Back to my hair. I'm gonna start by smoothing things out with the brush attachment. Now with the round brush, what you wanna do is same thing, pull the hair tight onto the brush and smooth it on out until it's dry. Shaking it out, and this should be your end result.
Okay, so now that the attachment is on, I just rewatched the TikTok. So what she does, she just takes it like this and she wraps the hair around like this, and then she just kind of goes down like that. But her hair is a lot longer, so, and then she just twirls it and like, you know, it's all beautiful and voluminous. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that and hope that my hair does not get tangled on this. So yeah. Okay, I mean, not bad, right? For the first try. Got a little bit of curl, a little bit of volume. All right. But if I run the brush through my hair once to just untangle it, it'll slide a lot easier than if it's not tangled, than if it's not brushed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like brush it first, comb it out first, and then go in with the round brush. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my hair. Alright, so this is the finished product. It's not as voluminous as hers turned out. I think I just need to practice more, but there are some like pieces that are like have a little bit of curl to them, you know, a little bit of body. I feel like this side looks a lot better than this side. Like I don't know what happened here. And also my hair is just frizzy like always, but that's just my hair. I am gonna try to add a little bit of curl to it. And I'm just gonna be using this little attachment, and this is the 1.2 millimeters. She also mentions in her little TikTok that when she does use the curl attachment, she doesn't let her hair, you know how it just like grabs it like that. She doesn't let it do that by itself. Instead, she just grabs a little piece of hair and she wraps it on there like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that and see if that works a lot better. It has, you know, a little bit of waves to it, some little curls, but I feel like I just need more practice with like styling my hair with the Dyson because I don't use it as often as I want to. I do use it like to like just airbrush my hair, but I just like airbrush it just so it can look somewhat straight. I don't try to like style it in any way while I'm doing that, so I just need more practice. I do like how this turned out right here, and then also how these little curls turned out on this side. I have no idea what's going on right here. Like it just doesn't want to do anything. I just need to practice some more, but I think I'm gonna just leave it like this for today. For my first try, like trying to do this, I'm gonna give it like maybe a 6 out of 10. Because there are some pieces here and there that I do like this side turned out really, I feel like this side turned better turned out better than this side when I was using the airbrush. And then the curls on this side when I was using the curling attachment turned out better than they did on this side. So kind of feel like it kind of balances itself out in a way, but like I said, I'm not an expert and I do need a lot more practice to get it to, you know, so it can look very nice and voluminous and just gorgeous. But I will be linking down the TikTok where I saw it, where I got the idea from, the little tutorial where she does. So hers is a lot better, you know, her hair is just beautiful. So check it out. Her video is amazing. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope this video inspired you or helped you in some way, whether you're thinking about getting the Dyson Airwrap styler or if you already have and you're looking for new ideas. There's tons of ideas out there, and if you're like me, you're just wanting to try them out. I'm always here to try them out for you, obviously. But other than that, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.